life. Okay? I need all the stuff you have to give to me. Don't she cut me off. I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be acting like Colorado. Why you did me like that, friend? My friend a real bitch. I done had plenty of celebrity friends, but ain't nothing like Grace, bitch.
I'm gone.
Ain't nothing like me.
Bye. I'm sorry. I love you. I busted in the people them green screen. Bye, Gavin.
Bye, baby. I'm not pushing. I'm free.
If you feed me, I'll be free.
All right, I'll feed you.
So I just wanted to ask people if they want to be friends with people who was a bad person. Since y'all trying to paint me to be a bad person, why would you want to be friends with me? Because that's weird. Oh, window wire. I'm just telling you. I'm about to head home because I'm holding up this entire building. I can't. I'm holding up this entire building because they got to get home and they're saying they can't get home until I get home. Now they're making me feel special.
Well, you should.
Is that what you said?
That's what I said.
Well, I'm going to drag my ass home. They took me out of the room. Okay. We never hear a who in the war. I'm going to tell you right now. Go on my website, spiceofficial.com. I'm hosting 2 events. These are business dinners, so I can teach you guys how I was able to make money, and not only make money, but to maintain it. Because sometimes it's not what you make, it's what you save and how you earn your money. So if you go on my website and book your seat at the table, trust me when I tell you, this is going to be the best spent. You'll never regret it. I'm coming with teachers, group of people to teach you. Thank you. So I'm not even the security, them couldn't go home?
Nope.
Thank you. It's one of my great securities from Love and Hip Hop, always taking care of me.
Put you on this.
On this. Oh, don't you like that side?
It's always safer, even in the Uber.
Okay.
It's always safer to
Yeah.
across.
We already discussed this.
That one you say. Yeah. Like that side. Now let them take care of me. All right. Bye, Sky.
What other way?
Thank you so
That
much.
way. That's the way she have to do it.
Yeah,
if
like
she
this,
uses
right?
it. Yeah, but I need to get on the other side so I can help her.
You have a good night too. Thank you. What I talk about now? What I say?
Nothing.
Wanna stop insist the queen for in a mix up. Yeah, can you keep the live on?
Yes.
The lights on, sorry. Don't make them mix you up. Visit my website tonight, guys. I'm about to go on there. I mix up on a one here. On the 26th, we are going to be in Atlanta. New York, we're coming to take over New York on the 28th. So make sure you book your seat at the table. Talk about... Look here, but just telling you a while ago. January 26th, we're going to be in Atlanta. And January 28th, we're going to be in New York. And for those other people who's asking what they're going to be getting, you're going to get people who's going to teach you about business, teach you how to scale your business from 0 to 100. You want to hear from people who has done it before, people who is like-minded like you. You want to mingle with these people. You want to connect. All of the people who have hair salon in New York and nail techs, call them because we are come up with people who have successful businesses who can teach them how to maintain and get a successful business. So you can leave from owning a booth to owning your own salon, to owning your own suite, to owning your own building. Let me show you how I was able to do it. I'm in America right now. Let me teach you. Let me show you how I was able to buy my house, and I've been buying buildings in here as a girl from Jamaica. So we want to teach you the strategies so we can build generational wealth, because that's what it's all about. At the end of the day, when it's all said and done, all of the IP I go left with and stay with you forever. So we have to build something where we have something solid like a foundation. And I just was able to do so many things on my own. I'm tired to keep it a secret. I'm tired to keep it silent. So I draw out a group of people where me can say, look here, come, we could do this together. So me can't stop feel like I'm doing it by myself. It's okay. I already blurred the address.
Oh, okay.
Sarah try idle the sound. So I can show you how I was able to do it, because we can laugh all we want, we can say what we want to say, but when it's all said and done, and when all of the glitz and the glitter and the glams and the glitter stop and everything end, where you gonna have for sure. And that's just all I'm on. I'm a type of girl where I've been so successful for the past couple of years. Most of you know, say you didn't have the manager. I've been managing myself on my own record label. I've managed to, you know, build myself as a successful artist. But outside of being an artist as Grace Hamilton, any of you ever thought about me being Grace Hamilton, the businesswoman, the entrepreneur, you know, the lady of many hats, everything that I've had and I've kept a secret, because sometimes you're afraid of bad mind people. You don't want people to know, so you own this and you own that and you can't do this and you can't do that. Well, now I'm ready to talk about it. Now I'm ready to share it with you. Now I'm ready to teach you and to show you how I was able to do it. And I'm also coming with a group of people that has done it as well. So the website is spiceofficial.com. When you go on my website, everything is there. I'm gonna discount the ticket prices as soon as I get offline. Book your seat at the table, because we have to learn to earn together, and we have to learn to create multiple streams of income. And that's just what I'm talking about. Can men attend? Absolutely, it's for everyone. I know we have a lot of female speakers. For the New York one, we're adding a lot of male speakers on it as they come along, and we have a lot of surprise speakers as well. So it's definitely for everyone, because business is business spelled one way. You know, it's not about male or female. You know, you learn to have a successful business. It's just one blueprint, one map, one plan. It's not like, oh, woman can do it this way or man can do it this way. You know, we have a lot of female speakers because a lot of them are more into teaching people. You know, sometimes maybe man don't want to do certain things or whatever, but we have a lot of women who can teach you how to earn business credit, how to get financial loan, like how to scale your business, and people are willing to share their blueprint. But definitely men can come as well. Somebody said road rocky though. I love Atlanta road. Them go like a Jamaica alone have patrol. I saw them did go on until I come afar. The amount of things I come here come find out. Them used to go like a Jamaica alone have patrol. I could have see some rocky over here, so you see. You never know it's a rocky road that they are faring. Where is it keeping? Everything is on my website. Once you book the ticket, that's when you'll get the address, because it's like a private dinner. You'll definitely you'll be able to eat and drink, everything all included in the ticket. Put on your seatbelt, ma'am. Remember to have your seatbelts. But guys, I'm gonna come off live because I'm heading home and it's a long drive for go on my yard. So I just really wanted to stop by and check in with you guys and remind you guys to go on my website, and just to tell you guys that fun and joke aside, when it's all said and done, let us focus on creating generational wealth. Let us focus on creating multiple streams of income, because when everybody stop laughing, everybody not look good again, and everybody not pretend, when we get older, we need to have something to look back on and say, listen, I have accomplished this. I have accomplished this. That's a rhyme. But yeah, I'm willing to show you guys how I did it. And I'm only dedicating this month out of the year to this, because after that I move on to something else and start focusing on myself and my bag. So I wanted to just dedicate January to you guys, so I can pour back into you guys, because that's just was something that was heavy on my spirit. A lot of people always ask me, Spice, how were you able to do this? How did you manage to become successful? What did you do? What did whatever? And I feel like it just weighed in on me, and I said I want to do an event to pour back into people and to show people and to teach people how to make money, how to become successful. Not just how to become successful, but how to maintain it, because that is super important. So I'm pouring January back into you guys, giving you enough time. My planner is still available, the hard copy for pre-order. That one comes with an autograph sign. It's not a planner, it's more than a planner, it's like a workbook. So when you go up on my website, you'll see everything on my website. So just visit my website now. As soon as I hang up, I'm going to discount the tickets. And that's only for tonight. So book your seat at the table and I'll see you at the wealth table. Let's make some money, guys. Let's focus on the real and make some money together. So let's earn together. I see you in Atlanta January 26th, and I'll see you in New York on the 28th.